Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we are going to be diving deep into the intricate world of mining practices, their impact, and how we can leverage technology to address some of the major challenges faced by the industry. We will discuss everything from small-scale mining in developing regions to large corporate operations in technologically advanced countries. We'll also explore how maintenance and operations teams can improve their strategies using data and cutting-edge technology. Now let's dive in. Mining practices across the globe are as diverse as the countries they're conducted in. From artisanal mining in small regions to large-scale corporate operations in technologically advanced countries, the approach to mining is as varied as the minerals being extracted. Let's start with some background on mining. Small-scale mining is a livelihood for people in about 80 countries worldwide, with Asia, Central America, South America, Oceania, and Sub-Saharan Africa being the primary locations for artisanal mining. According to the Artisanal and Small-Scale Mining Knowledge Sharing Archive, there could be over 40 million artisanal mines globally, a number that completely overshadows the 7 million individuals working in industrial mines. Interestingly, about half of these small-scale miners are focused on gold extraction, while others are busy extracting sapphire, diamond, and other precious gemstones. Over the past 10 years, there's been a noticeable drop in mining productivity as companies have prioritized output. This productivity drop can be seen in individual measures, such as a one-third decrease in labor productivity over the last 12 years in South African gold mines. Mining executives have reported that most responses to productivity drops have been cost-cutting measures, which are really just short-term solutions. The future of the industry depends on more comprehensive end-to-end systemic solutions, like better data management, technology, and empowering the mining workforce to discover and implement new solutions. But it's not all about productivity and profit. Mining activities can have significant environmental impacts, including air pollution, water pollution, land damage, and loss of biodiversity. For instance, when mineral deposits are extracted, additional unrefined particles can be released into the air, which can then be inhaled by the local population. The local water supply can also be contaminated through mining activity, with heavy metals, acids, and increased sediment leaching into streams and groundwater sources. Land damage is another concern, with open pits and rock byproducts significantly changing the local landscape. And let's not forget the loss of biodiversity, with mining resulting in major habitat loss for everything from microorganisms through large mammals, as well as a wide variety of plants and flora. Now let's talk about some of the challenges in mining maintenance and how to improve maintenance programs. The greatest challenges in mining maintenance are safety, high costs, and accessing remote equipment. But don't worry, there are ways to overcome these challenges. Gathering data is a good starting point. Monitoring things like mean time to repair, mean time between failures, schedule compliance, common failure modes, and accident data can help. Once you have enough data, you can set goals based on ISO 50000 standards, benchmarking with other companies, manufacturer recommendations, or world-class maintenance standards. A cost-effective way to solve the issue with hard-to-access equipment is with condition monitoring using industrial Internet of Things devices. Using remote telemetry to keep a close eye on important pieces of mining equipment can yield cost savings of up to 12% over regular preventive maintenance. Safety in mining operations often comes down to training. Training maintenance personnel in safety practices such as lockout-tagout procedures and the wearing of personal protective equipment can go a long way. With the help of industrial Internet of Things technology and a computerized maintenance management system, you can make the data gathering process much easier when it comes to mining maintenance planning. As you implement these strategies, you'll be able to use the data you gather to tighten your maintenance processes, boost productivity, and improve safety. Looking towards the future of mining, it's clear that mining companies must take advantage of the many evolving digital technologies available. Here are some key areas that mining businesses must embrace moving forward. Firstly, data collection. Sensor technology has increased in power and dropped in price in recent years, making it a powerful tool for industries such as mining. By embedding a wide variety of sensors within the mining operation, you can collect critical data around the clock. This data is sent to a centralized system such as a computerized maintenance management system where it can be compiled, analyzed, and used to make smarter business decisions. Secondly, artificial intelligence. Machines and computers continue to gain power in terms of learning based on existing data and conditions. This allows mining companies to embrace predictive maintenance tasks, which result in fewer accidents and less environmental damage. Thirdly, sophisticated tools. Technology allows the mining data to not only be analyzed, but to serve miners during their daily tasks. For example, smart goggles can walk miners through complex tasks, and protective clothing may be embedded with sensors that can detect hazardous conditions before health impacts are created. And finally, robotics. Robotic technology can allow dangerous mining work to be completed by machines instead of by humans, minimizing the risk of loss of life or dangerous mining accidents. In addition, when you combine robotic technology with data collection and machine learning, tasks may be completed in a safer and more sustainable manner. So as you can see, the future of mining is not just about extracting minerals, it's about doing so in a manner that is safe, sustainable, and efficient. And that's where technology and data come into play. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the challenges and solutions in mining practices, the role of technology and data in improving productivity, safety, and sustainability. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest content. For more information, visit our website at upkeep.com.